Flashes of color, elegant curves, bold densities. Like paintings on a canvas, every piece tells a story, and experts are tasked with revealing the tale. But these aren't Jackson Pollock paintings, and the experts aren't modern art critics. This is the everyday work of a histotechnologist, also sometimes called histologic technicians. And these are extremely thin slices of human tissue under a microscope. Histotechnologists are team players who work in laboratory settings. Their job is to prepare microscopic tissue samples, arming a pathologist with the best possible information with which to make a diagnosis. Each phase of the process reveals crucial information about a patient's health, including processing, embedding, cutting, staining, and cover-slipping tissue samples. The identification of many diseases, including cancer, wouldn't be possible without the essential work of histotechnologists. A hands-on role filled with problem-solving, attention to detail, and teamwork, histotechnologists are in high demand across the country. Visit us online to explore Mayo Clinic's health sciences education programs, where you'll learn hands-on at one of the nation's top medical centers. And you'll have a jump start on your new career, as most of our graduates go on to work at Mayo Clinic.